Today let's learn how to delete a Netflix account. Netflix accounts can be easily deleted without having any lengthy process. You can easily delete your account of Netflix within the app of Netflix. So open up your Netflix app and then just tap on the profile icon that you see on the top and then open up account. From the account section, you just scroll down to the bottom of the page where you'll have an option of delete account. You can tap on it and either you can confirm your code through the email address or you can confirm your payment details. If you choose the email method, a code will be sent to your email address. You just need to type in the code in the next section. After you enter in the code, you'll be taken to this screen where you just need to tap and check this box and tap on permanently delete. But however, if you have not yet cancelled your subscription of Netflix, make sure you do it before you delete your account. To do it, just tap on the cancel your membership option on the top, and once your membership is cancelled, you can tap on permanently delete and your account of Netflix will be successfully deleted. So that was the exact video. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, keep watching.